What up, YouTube? It's your boy TJ, and I'm back again with another banger, alright? Reason I'm looking back here, I'm about to grab my phone because I'm going to be reacting to Machine Gun Kelly, End of the Road. Now, this is a subscriber request. I do want to give a shout out to Dennis Trifin. What did I say? Trifin? Alright, Dennis Trifin. I got you, bro. He said End of the Road by MGK. Now, check this out. I seen End of the Road got a video, official video. But then I seen it had a lyric version. Lyric version had 13 million views. At the same time, I was thinking I'm sure they would appreciate me reacting to the lyric version, alright? So that's what we're going to get into. This is MGK, End of the Road. Let go. Okay.
It's a long day home at the end of the road.
Come on.
I'll be picking my own way to the top. I'll be here to stay. So
Okay.
take my name, remember this face. Keep the change and have a nice day. Live for the moment, not by the past. Homie, live here.
He said live for the moment, not by the past, bro. You gotta live for right now, not by what you've been through, and live for your future too. Live for your right now before you live for your past. Live for your future before you live for right now, if that makes sense. Oh shit.
Nice day, live for the moment, not by the past. Homie, live each day like it's your last. All my life, I couldn't fit in like a bad shoe. I was always too square, too cute.
It's not gonna fit in like a bad shoe.
Too blue, forget them high school hotties, now I'm too cool. I guess I came a long way from that young kid. The school's most popular lane. No friends, no style, no clothes, no ends. Just a bed, fell asleep and never woke up again. Yeah. And my last prayer was don't never let me end up like the people that's down here. Cause the one that fear change be the one that don't care. Look at themselves and see somebody else in the mirror. But you can always pick me out of the crowd. Loud mouth with my very own style. And what I know now is don't ever pretend. And live every single day like you won't see it again. Go. So take my name, remember this place. Keep the change and have a nice day. Live for the moment.
He said remember his face. You gotta remember the face of the motherfucker, bro. Cause I'm telling you, a nigga be back. Remember my face, cause I'll be back. You'll be seeing me at the top. Y'all niggas like not what taking them breaks like you been taking. Hey, look, I'm about to get back in my grind. You did. No more breaks. Straight up, man. A lot been going on. But let's go.
And if you only had 24 hours and 1,400 minutes before your dream's gone, then you better go live it. Cause whatever you love could be taken away.
Right.
So live like it's a dying day.
He said whatever you love could be taken away, so live like it's your what do you say? Whatever you love could be taken away, so live like it's your dying day. Damn. That's what I thought he said, but I was like, did he say that? That's like kinda deep. That's straight to the issue.
Cause whatever you love could be taken away. So live like it's a dying day. I dedicate this to my teachers that never believed in me, and the mother that conceived but ended up leaving me. So I just wish y'all could see me smile. This big queen's on the TV now. And I took it from the bottom to the top, from the holes in my socks, ramen noodles in the pot. Used to rob them on the block, now they spot me in a drop. Middle finger up and that ain't gon' stop. I used to take orders and now I make bets. I used to
take orders, now I make bets, man. Salute to MGK for doing this motherfucking thing, man. This nigga is in his bag right now. And it's super motivational. I like motivational songs like this that make a nigga feel go from an employee to feeling like a motherfucking boss. You know what I'm saying? Because I think we need to feel more like bosses so we can get out of this employee mentality of feeling like our future is up to someone is in someone else's hands. You feel me?
Now I sign checks, I used to push cards, now I push songs. Yeah, I used to be there, now I am so gone. I fired myself, fell a job myself, established my name, then I signed myself. And when I tell myself, as you did this by yourself, and when I'm home so long, I'll be by myself. So take my name,
Hey, he killed it. So salute to this dude on the hook, man. He killed it.
Change and have a nice day. Live for the moment, not for the past. Homie, live each day like it's your last. 24 hours and 1,400 minutes before your dreams gone, then you better go live it. Cause whatever you love could be taken away. So live like it's your dying day. I wish I could see their faces when they heard your voice spit. Wish I could know what they're thinking when they heard my first hit. Cause I remember them wishing that I wouldn't get big. Now I bet they wishing they wouldn't have said that shit. I came out.
I know that's right. They wishing I wouldn't get big. Now I know they wishing they wouldn't have said that shit, bro. Yeah, because I got motherfuckers like that too. When I first started HopTV, I don't know, I was trying to get interviews from local artists and shit. So there was a lot of local artists who wouldn't give me an interview. If y'all go down my page and look on my shit, like my older shit, y'all see I gave some little local artists interviews and shit like that. But some people wouldn't fuck with me. Salute to everybody who fucked with me though, man. Y'all seen the vision from the beginning. But the ones who didn't, now they hitting me up. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what I need to do to get a reaction? What I need to do to get an interview? And when you post the shit, you know what I mean? I'm like, bruh, dude, I don't respond to half that shit. You know what I'm saying? Because, for one, y'all ain't trying to see no local nigga anyway. For two, I have no problem helping somebody out who never counted me out. You feel me? That's straight up. But yeah.
But I ain't seen you brought back life. Everything they said I couldn't do, I did about twice. Multiplied by the battles that we popped each night. That equals out to a celebration, bitches, more ice. Nigga, toast to the underdogs, toast to the team. Toast to the fact we this close to the dream. Pour one for my exes. Used to talk reckless, but now I push Benzes and rock Rolexes. Came from the
now I push Benzes and rock Rolexes.
Used to talk reckless, but now I push Benzes and rock Rolexes. Came from the city, and until they come and get me, turn around and see the whole east side still with me. And that's how we live it, and mans don't change. Look, it's still a key, still can't tell me your goddamn thing. So take my name, remember this place. Keep the change and have a nice day. Live for the moment, not for the past. Homie, live each day like it's your last. 24 hours and 1,400 minutes before your dreams gone, then you better go live it. Cause whatever you love could be taken away. So live like it's your dying day.
Vibe, I want to give a vibe like a solid 9. Yeah, 9. Beat, 9.2.
The end of the road, I'll be picking my own way. To the top, I'll be here to stay. So take my name, remember this face. Keep the change and have a nice day. And live for the moment, not by the past. Homie, live each day like it's your last.
I think it had a lot to do with the recording quality of why it wasn't a 10. I'm not sure, but it just feel like it should have been a little bit more clearer. But yeah, guys. Bars, I got to rank a 9.5. Nah, 9.7. 9.7. He said a lot of shit in this. 9.7. Overall, 9.4. That was my reaction to the video. Go ahead and comment your reaction down below. What you get this video between 1 and 10. Put a fire emoji if it was hot. Trash emoji if it was not. Just comment down below. And as you can see, I'm cold as fuck. That's why I got a blanket right here. A little blanket. I'm cold as hell. They got the AC up all the way. This coffee ain't warming that nigga up good enough. But yeah, guys. If you want another MGK reaction, make sure this video get 28 likes. If you get 28 likes, man, I got you another MGK. Just hold it up for you, boy. That's all I got for the video. I'm at this thing.